Hi, in this video, so I'm going to show you how you can operate device care on your Samsung 7 Series TV. If you're wondering, after all these years, if it's still behaving itself, then you can run through device care and it might even prompt you with things that might make your experience better. So we need to go into the settings. You can either go via the menu or press the settings button on the remote control here. And we're going to go down to support. So use these arrows here and the middle button to enter. So I'm going to go down to support, press right, and I'm going to go down to device care and press enter. Right, it says it's good, or you can go to start device care here. It's got remaining issues here. Let's do start device care, let it go through, and you can see what it's doing. So it's running through various different things at the moment. It's freeing up memory by clearing the cache. Now obviously this TV has had an impact up here. The TV doesn't know that the screen has had a whack there, but it will tell you how, for example, the storage and stuff is doing. And it's come up here with two issues. It says solving the issues below will give you a better viewing experience. So right now it's not connected to a network, and also auto power off is enabled. So you'd be able to do those two things and then, in Samsung's opinion, give you a better experience. So I am actually going to connect these two things here. So let's go to auto power off. So I'm going to auto power off disabled. So that's going to be one thing that's gone, you see. And now I'm just going to connect to the network. I'm just going to do this off camera because I have to put my password in. So I've reconnected it now to my network, press OK. And now you can see, done. There's no more recommendations. If I was to go into it again, you will see this time it should all be good. There we go, device care detected no problems. So that is it. Hopefully that's helped you out. Thanks for watching.